Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google account on Android. So guys, at first go to your Gmail and then tap on the profile icon in the right of corner. Tap on manage accounts on this device. And guys, now tap on the account you want to remove. So I am selecting my first one. Now tap on the two dot icon in the right of corner. Tap on remove and then tap on remove account. So guys, as you can see, that account has been deleted, and that's how you can remove your Google account on Android very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.